Welcome to the Swell advertising system. Here we are logged into our fake test account, Sandbox Windows, a mock-up window company. We are now going to continue down this menu. The best way to learn the Swell ad systems is to just click in each one of these left-hand menu items. Here we're going to the dashboard. The dashboard is basically a view of your different opportunities, leads, opportunity values, your pipeline if you choose to set this up. So here we have the opportunity status. We have one open lead worth $500. We can scroll down. We see this lead came from our leads, our Facebook ads, and currently sitting in the stage of open right here. You can set up tasks, manual actions for your team, scroll down and basically just explore what you can do to customize this to your business. Now to set this up, we went to the Opportunities tab and we built our own opportunity here. We built our own pipeline. We called it Sandbox Windows Facebook Ad Pipeline. And you can create a new pipeline by clicking this green button, naming it, giving it a stage, lead, add another stage, opportunity, contacted. You can do whatever you want to create a stage, a pipeline for your specific company and business. Contacted, closed, let's say. Save. Now, this is our test pipeline. This is our pipeline we set up for Facebook ads. We go to opportunities, and right now we have a fake lead named Steve O that came in through Facebook lead ads worth $500. We can automatically set this to go down the pipeline, or we can drag it manually. Steve O was now booked an appointment. Steve O completed his window consultation appointment. Maybe Steve-O failed, did not choose to become a customer, or maybe the sale completed. So this is your pipeline that you can create, and this is where the dashboard registers all of your incoming leads, what they're worth, and you can easily see your system take place right in front of your eyes.